improvise
live.
করব আর কি মানে ফিচারটা তো
We're in
ফিচার
live.
তো
ও ওকে 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 আচ্ছা আপনাদের তো ইম্প্রোভাইজ করা ওকে ফাইন কুল
We're in live. Okay, just checking. Yes. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to today's live. Today, let's count down the Timetics SaaS launch, and welcome to our very first Timetics webinar powered by 𝒂𝒆𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒈𝒔, the maker of groundbreaking WordPress plugin like Eventin and WP Cafe. Today, we'll talk about Timetics, the perfect SaaS solution you need to manage your seats, meeting, schedule, events, and many more. We'll deep down more, but before that, let's welcome to our guest to the webinar. Today, we have three very special guests. Sanjeeda Helal, our Chief Communication Officer, Masud Rana from the development team, and Iftekhar Ahmed from the marketing team. So would you guys like to introduce yourself one by one from the Sanjeeda Helal?
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining this wonderful webinar. And I'm Sanjeeda Helal. I am one of the co-founder and chief communication officer here at 𝒂𝒆𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒈𝒔, and I've been working with WordPress for quite some time, and it's wonderful working with such amazing eco-CMS. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Masud Rana.
Hello everyone, I'm Masud Rana from 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒈𝒔 development team, and I'm working as a front-end engineer in 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒈𝒔 in last 2 years, and I'm currently actively working on Timetics SaaS and developing features there, and happy to be in this webinar, and I would love to share my thoughts and my product with you guys today. Thank you.
Okay, Iftekhar Ahmed.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you so much for having me. I'm Iftekhar Ahmed, digital marketing executive at Timetics. So I usually look over the content and the content strategies and everything that goes with the copies and stuff. So
Okay. Oh, I forget to talk about myself. Well, this is your host, Asadullah Galib from the 𝒂𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒈𝒔 marketing team. Now, let's talk about the guest with the final episode that we are going to understand what is the Timetics, why we are building it, and what's the benefits we are going to get. And I would like to thanks for the introduction to everyone. Now, my first question to our CCO, Sanjeeda Helal. Would you like to share what is Timetics and why we start the SaaS solution?
Well, before jumping into the Timetics introduction part, let's leap back, go back, take a step back, and start where. Um, Actually, we started our journey from a in-battle marketplace, and it's been like quite some time. We sell like teams and acquire multiple amazing customers. Then we leave up the we formed Team Winter and created wonderful plugins for WordPress CMS, like Eventin, WP Cafe, WP Cafe app, and stuff like that. So there also we had tremendous success, and met a number of wonderful customers, and amazing outcome from everyone. Now we want to live up a little higher, and what targeting to reach B2B customers and enterprise level customers for us. So we released Timetics for a Timetics SaaS version. For those who don't know, we also have a WordPress version of Timetics. It's an AI powered scheduling booking solution for online and offline businesses. So if you don't need to have a website to use Timetics, even if you have I mean, internet is everywhere, right? Internet is something that everyone uses nowadays, from 5-year old to 50. It doesn't matter. So Timetics is a solution which is 100% suitable for everyone, even if you have just a cinema hall or a small conference or get together, whatever. Timetics will help you to get along multiple attendees and schedule them in no time, in just a fingertips. Yeah.
Okay, so you are speaking that you have built that users don't need to have a special website, so they can use the solution from the SaaS, right? And you build it for
Yes,
the
the SAS main motive was that create the main motive of jumping into from WordPress to SaaS was that. I mean, if you ask me that why we move on to SaaS from WordPress, whereas we are doing fantastic, the reason is on WordPress it's a great technical part, but ready to pay attention on for several AWS infrastructure, loads of balancing, developer to create a website, configure their own daily backups and stuff. Tons of work that someone needs to do. But on Timetics SaaS version, whereas it's one of the best, why I'm saying it's one of the best is that you don't need to worry about any of the technical part. Everything is hosted and managed with us and rented to you in the Timeticks package, the server, the infrastructure, backups, and monitoring. Like everything is included. You don't need to be under, a loop or a hole of any CMS. It's just open for anyone. Yeah.
Okay, so can I conclude this explanation like this, that all the headaches that you will take, our users, they will only boost their time management activity. Is that?
Yeah, side by side, of course. Why not? Because it's not gonna just time. For example, when we have multiple meetings, sometimes we tend to forget. Like, oh, oops, I have an interview at 4. Whereas after a three hours meeting, you have another one. So Timetakes will also give you notification, like, hey, it's like merging other meetings, and you can schedule your meetings and everything perfectly without any clashes and stuff.
Okay, nice, nice. So I'm pretty sure
Mm.
that this solution have a lot of features, and maybe we cannot reveal everything, but we can share some exciting features that's going to shared by Iftekhar Ahmed.
Of
Sure, I'd
course.
love to.
Yeah.
Timetics has stock full of features coming on your way, to be honest. So I would like to walk you through to a list of features that just not only impress the entire market, but it will also, I believe, explain the reason why choose Timetics. So let me know if the screen shows
Yeah,
up.
you are in
Yeah,
the screen.
great. So, as I was saying, why choose Timetakes? So, we usually have some groundbreaking features as well. So, the first one would be the AI powered meetings or slash booking management. So it just helps your users actively with user personal recommendation based on their user histories and their activities, so that their regular usage with your services increases and improves, and the upsell and the increase of lifetime value gets improved as well. So and for the users, and then we have multi-style seat arrangement. So if you are a restaurant owner, or maybe you run a cinema hall, or maybe you need to run a business where you need reservation, you can just easily plan out your reservation system and seating arrangements plainly and smoothly within just a few clicks, so that after your clients or your users make an appointment with you or book a reservation with you, they can you can just simply direct them to the seating arrangement that you can customize with multiple ticket tiers. Then you can also arrange the seatings, and you can also decide and design how they look. It's just completely a suitable drag and drop builder, ready to plan your events in just a few clicks. So next we have a dedicated niche based AI solution. So uh, no matter what business you run or what business you have, so Timetails offers dedicated niche-based solutions, so that during the onboarding process, so it just asks you away a few questions, and you just bam, like you're good to go. So whether you are a consultant or maybe a lawyer, so your dashboard will be customized based on your profession, what you want, and how you want it to be. And then we have event management solutions. So as I was saying, you can easily organize your events with a few features where you can sell events, uh, so you create the event, then you can sell your tickets, then you can manage your attendees, then also you can manage your speakers as well. But that's not all. We have tons of USPs for your business. So just like I mentioned, it's a drag and drop sale builder, which is the visual seat plan. And then we have the opportunity and the capability to share for users to share easy ratings and reviews collection. And then our users can generate invoice and coupons for meetings. And not only that, for our users who usually have love to run recurring meetings, we also have that for it. So not only that, we can offer upfront and deposit payments with easy transaction with multiple payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. And then we can come to the list of time saving features. So here in Timetics SaaS, you can manage multiple type meetings. Let's say, for an example, one-to-one. You can go for one-to-many meetings, or if you run a restaurant business or any other sort that needs an event or maybe needs a seating arrangement, you can go for easily with one-to-many with seat plan. Then you can get also unlimited bookings as well. So and not after which on your dashboard you can have a clear and detailed sales analytics, and also you can send email notification to your staff and clients every time a user or client books an appointment with you. And yes, about that reminder, we have both email and SMS reminder. And also, if your users want to reschedule or maybe cancel their meetings with you, they can easily do it in the email. And also, just like I was saying, we have PayPal and Stripe payment integrations, and also we have um, a Google Meet and Zoom integration for you to run a video conference with your clients and make meetings as well. And yes, if you're comfortable with Google Calendar integration, we also have that. And there comes the managing staff members. You can add your employees, you can manage them, you can assign them to different meetings and stuff, you can set their availability and so on. And also we have a few more time saving features, so where you can set your availability, your days off, maybe vacation or holidays. And during meetings you can also add a different date and time. And also, yes, during the appointment forms or the customizable booking forms, you can add additional notes as well. And yes, the booking status will be always be shown in the booking list, whether it's pending or maybe completed or maybe in progress. And yeah, about that SMS reminder that we just talked about, yes, we have also WhatsApp notification on booking. And just to automate your entire workflow and transfer data from platforms to platforms, we also have Pabbly and Zapier integrations as well. And also your clients can easily reschedule their appointments, and also you can run recurring appointments that matter the most. So these are the big list of features that we have ready for our clients as soon as we launch in the market. And that's not all. That's all I can say. We are also coming with more and more breaking features that are more impactful and more impressive than this one. So my message will be to my audience will be to stay tuned.
Okay, nice. So Iftekhar you said many features, and I'm pretty sure that we have much more on the way that the developers are developing at this moment. Okay, now let's move to the next guest. But before that, I would like to ask our audience that if you have some question, dropped in the comment box. I'll relay to the speaker, and they will reply. At the same time, if you want to know about us, if you want to ask us about the early access, go to timetix.ai in this website, and you will have the option. Now. Let's talk with the Masud Rana. He's from the development team. So Masud Rana, you were working from the beginning of this project. Would you like to share that? What's the advantage our users is going to get from your development team?
Okay, so as our other guests are already said that lots of features are available in our product, but I'm going to give you some very key specific points that will be very helpful for our clients. Like our we have lots of competitors in the market right now for our product, but our product is very good for user experience, and it's designed by very skilled designers, and our clients will be able to use this with very minimum technical knowledge, and this product will be very easy to use for non-technical persons as well. And some other points already have mentioned that it's managed by experts, and our clients don't need to think about any server or any other costs wherever. And this will be managed by our expert team in the backend and front end, and our clients will just need to use this without any hassle. And also one more thing, that you don't need to think about the securities, because it's hosted in our platform. So all the security options will be managed by also us. And one of our key specific feature is seat plan. You can have all of your meeting and meetups ready to use with the seat plan options as well.
Okay, amazing, amazing. A lot of things you already said. Would you like to share the screen and view that how easy the system is for the users? I'm pretty sure that you said the things you can support visually, so that users get the confidence that yes, the developer said and they keep their promise. So, would you
Okay,
like to
sure.
share the screen?
Thank you. Let me share my screen and
Sure.
show you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, the screen is visible for the audience.
Okay, so this is the land. This is the dashboard, a beautiful dashboard you will land when you sign up for the Timetics demo. And in this dashboard, you will have all the necessary option to manage your meeting and schedules. So uh, when you sign up here, you will have the options to manage meetings, staff members that will be in your team, and you will have all these settings related to your meetings and schedules. So now I'm going to show you one very basic things, that how can you create meetings and give the links to your audience so that they can book you for meetings. So when you click in this add new item from the meeting options, you will have three options to add. Is First one is one-to-one meeting, and then the one-to-many. It will be good for the conference, and there is another option, one-to-many with seat plans. So I'm going to show you that how you can create one-to-one meetings. So this is the option you will have when you came here, and you can add your share meeting names here, like JS conference or whatever you like, and give some dates when you're going to get this meeting run. And you can add some categories here also, and you can add the location where meetings will be held. You will have four or five options here. Currently, we have available that give Google Meet, Zoom integration, and attendee phone number over call, and other organizer phone numbers as well. So I'm going to show you how you can use in-person meetings here. So let's give an address here. And if you have any pricing options for this meeting to join, you can add the pricing. I'm going to keep it free so that it doesn't need to add any price here. And you can add your meeting time zone here. And after that, you will have to assign the host here. So I'm going to assign myself here, and you can customize your availability when you are available for the meetings, and you can use the default one which is set by the system. And I'm going to create the meeting here with this default option. So as you can see, that successfully created appointment, it's showing that. And you can add some other additional contents when the meeting is created with the basic information. Like you can add some descriptions here, update the date and time and availabilities here, and give some other options like when the notice period and will it be a recurring event or not. And you can give some integrations also. Currently, we give options for Weebly and Zapier integrations, and you have also options for customizing the booking form. When your clients are going to book here, they will have to definitely they will need to give their name and email, but you can add other fields as well based on your needs. So this is the option. And when the meeting is created, you will need to go here. Like this is the meeting I have created, just created now. You can copy the link here from share option. When you copy this link, you will just need to send this to your client, and they will go visit this link, and they will have option for booking you. See, all the dates are not available. The dates I have selected is the available for your to booking here. So when they give their name and email address here, and if they want, they can also add additional contents, and they can confirm the booking. So see, this is the booking. The book meeting is scheduled, and the admin will see this booking here in this booking tab. This is the meeting name, and this is the customer who had booked this meeting. So I think this is very easy for some non-technical person as well, and it will be managed very easily. Khalifa, do you have any questions about this?
Yes, so I was checking the system. It's very easy. It's just a matter of few clicks. But you were also talking about some. I think okay. So you are also talking about some of the features, especially about the visual seat plan. So would you like to say how it's going to work and how visually you can the audience can build their seating plans, seating arrangement?
Okay, so when you come here to create a meeting, and you can have you can see this option or create one to many meeting with sequence. This is the same process. I'm not going to repeat myself here. You just have one different option that you need to create different type of seat pricing layouts for your ticket type. And when you create this meeting, you'll need to go to this option, and you can create seat plan create seat plan with the meeting you have already created. So I'm going to just show you how the seat plan will look and how you can create it. I'm going to show you my previously created seat plans here. Let's see here. So as you can see, we have very good interactive layouts layout design system in the development right now. So you can see that there are many different type of seats. You can create seat layouts by the tier of the seats you have already created in the backend. And when the seat layout is created done successfully, you can uh, see the meetings from here. When your user is going to book the meeting with the seat plan, they will need to select the date and the time, and after that they will be presented with this interactive layout, and they can select the seats they like, and the price of the seats will be displayed here. And after that, then it will go to next and book their seats from this panel I have already shown. So I think this is going to be very useful for our clients who managed on-site events, and they have fixed layouts for their users. And hopefully it will be very helpful for our clients to use.
Okay, so I was amused to see that it's also simple. Creating a visual design, I was expecting very hard to do, but it's see the similar to creating an event, so it's also easy.
Yeah,
And the developer team did an amazing job that they create a very easy and interactive. And people don't need to think about. People don't need to take a 1 month break to understand. They just purchase and sign up and start creating their meeting.
yeah.
Amazing. Okay. So we are
Everything
moving
is
back
very
to the yes. Okay. So we are moving back to the Sanjeeda Helal one more time, and I have another question that is uh, we already checked that how simplified, how easy to how easy it's going to be for the users. But how is the stability? What is the team size? How users can rely? Can you explain? Can you talk a little bit more details so that users can rely that this team is stable, so they can come and they can purchase?
Timetics SaaS team includes around 20 plus employees. And is speaking of stability, so let me get that straight. So as we always tend to focus on the market, right, and what it looks for we are trying to offer an all-in-one solution for our users. Because you see, while the first phrase of AI interacts with your users online and you build a seat plan for the conference, reservations, or events to come and organize along with ticket stairs and seat styles and stuff like that. That plans move smoothly and flexibly. What we're trying to do here is build a complete experience for our users and their clients. Right, even agencies can use it for their clients. Not I need to be a cinema hall or a salon owner. Even if I have an agency, I can also use Timetics AIs and also serve my clients there. And again, as it's just the MVP launch and it's not perfect yet, it's roughly work at its best. And we are constantly improving every day based on the market's needs and what it's actually looks for in the near future. I'm sure it's gonna diverse in the coming days and add up latest features and more functionalities for making our customers' life easier. So it's designed to automate scheduling, online planning, and organizing your events, as or not only just online as well as offline. Yeah, this is my explanation.
Okay, amazing. So, guys who are looking to us, we are almost end of this session, this webinar. But before ending the webinar, I would like to ask our special guest to share their last words for the audience, one by one.
Please, Iftekhar, you start. I'm talking too much.
Sure. Galip, could you please elaborate the question once again? Then I can say.
Yeah, just last word that why users should come us, and what's the next step we're going to do.
We're going to launch very soon. That's the first thing we have. And honestly speaking, yeah, even though I showed a list of features, but I list they are half of what we are cooking right now, honest to be honest. So in that case, uh, I'm literally grateful to be a part of this team, and yeah, it's very much exciting for me to have been witnessing and being a part of in the production of such groundbreaking features that I have not yet mentioned. Uh, to be that they will be able to impact and improve better business operations for users and clients all around the world and help them save more time, because that's why we're named Timetics, right? So I believe it's going to be a great launch, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So looking forward to the launch, to be honest. Yeah, so that's pretty much all from my side, so thank you.
Okay, Masud Rana.
So I would like to request everyone who is watching this live, please come to our platform and check out what we have cooked for you. And I hope you guys will love it. And if you have any issues with it, with the platform, you can connect to our support team, and they are always here to help you. And even if you need any custom supports and feature requests, you can send this to our support team. They will bring the message to us, and we'll try to develop it for you. And hopefully, we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Yes, Sanjeeda Helal, the last word for the audience.
Last word would be I would like to thank all of our customers and viewers and audiences who have been, spared their time and join us in this tremendous webinar. And oops, excuse me. I'm sorry. Interrupt. It's
Oh,
called
okay, 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 okay,
interrupted.
okay.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
would like to thank everyone, and I would like to request whoever who haven't heard of Timetics and interested in, leap up their, give it a little, higher standards to their, meeting and scheduling terms, then you should definitely give Timetics a try, because we have worked really hard, and I'm sure you will love it too, as much as we are. We love it using it, making it. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so um, uh, guys, uh, we try to build this system very easy, very clear, and very straightforward. At the same time, we are trying to help you in your business. It's not only a alternative of some product. We are building this for helping your business. We are thinking about you. We are thinking about the improvement. We are thinking about your success. So if you have some opinion, if you have something in your mind, if you just believe that this one simple features can help your business, and if you just something, we are just one simple text away from you. Just reach us in any of the channel. Definitely we'll take care of this, because all we want is your success, your business success, your improvement. That's the way we are building, and we will release Timetics very soon. Hopefully we'll meet you there. And there is a series of the webinars coming. There will be more guests, there will be more important and analysis, there will be more statistical analysis, and a lot of things, because it's a big things we are building. And the team, they already, if you already use Timetics, if you already use Timetics WordPress version, event in WP Cafe, you already know how much effort we give for the for our users, for our customers. So the same things, even more things we are going to do with the Timetics SaaS version. So just drop us anything in your mind in our support channel, and we'll be meet you again. That's all for today. Hopefully we'll talk again.